Yes, there.
Thank you so much, Mika. So good to see you, Mika. So good. My name is Marie non Pam. C'est Marie Gerda Nicolas qui te fait Tigouave. C'est petite Marie Agathe Nicolas. C'est petite Charmante Rainville. C'est petite Sylvania Rainville. Tout le monde qui sorti Grand Gouave Tigouave. And I say that because it is the legacy of these women that allowed for me to be here today. And many of us who are here tonight stands on the shoulders of many from Potomitan. And so it is truly is an honor for me to be here as a representative of all of these women. And I give honor to all of these women who've come before me. So I want to say special. I can't imagine being any other place than to be here with all of you tonight to say a special congratulations and a special thank you to Femme Potomitan for including me as an honoree in this amazing list of people that we truly have. And it's an honor for me to be in the midst of all of these other Femme Potomitan tonight. It is an honor for me to be a part of the Femme Potomitan family in the work that is being done as a part of this. Let me just take this opportunity to say why I think this Femme Potomitan is important, because it is, as I said to our founders of this organization, this is truly is a movement. The word is not one that we should take lightly, this word Femme Potomitan, because it is a symbol. It is a symbol of the legacy of the Haitian women that have come before us. It is a legacy of the work that we're doing now, but more importantly, it is the legacy of the work to come. It is about ensuring that our children and our grandchildren are able to go on YouTube or whatever is the next thing in about 30 or 40 years and to get a chance to see a Dr. Vivens and get a chance to see a Naika who was here, who really absolutely did the amazing work that all of them have managed to do during their time here. The focus on Haitian women, the word Haitian women, the word woman is a significant one for every single one of us who are here and for everyone who's a part of this movement, because it means that we recognize the power. Ano di bagay sa anko we, ano di we, ano lagel we, nou tout la konnen pouvoir que femme genyen, pas seulement la kay nou, mais nous konnen pouvoir que femme genyen nan commune nous konnen pouvoir femme ka genyen pour nous développer pays nou. It is that time. The role of women is being recognized globally as it is our time. This is the time for women and girls throughout the globe to come together in a significant collective way for larger impact. And I say often, and I think as you hear the global leaders of the world talking about the role of women, and it is clear that if we want a thriving society and if we want a thriving country, if we want a thriving community, les arrivés, on nous mette femmes yo sous place, on nous mette femmes yo in a rightful position, us, right, to be able. On nous dit encore, non, Marie-Val, on nous dit encore, les arrivés. It is time. It is that time for us to come together as a collective and recognize the powerful role that we can play, not just as a singular, but as a collective. I believe very strongly that the future, and I say often, the future is female. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way, because the future is female, and it is that time for us to, again, to come together as a collective. It is not a single, but it is the collective. Let me just say what I mean by that. When Femme Potomitan said they would honor me as an honoree, and I had an opportunity to meet with the founders and understood the movement they were creating, I said, let me go get you 2 other Femme Potomitan. OK? Parce que si c'est seulement moi-même moi honorer, ça veut dire que nous perdi bataille là déjà. That means we have a role to play in working together to go get all the other Femme Potomitan et pour nous mettre ensemble. Moi, je dis, moi, il y a une pour qui relève Dr. Solange Vivens. Bon, d'où femme qui a fait, ça, qui a montré nous que qu'on livre qui dit Girls Can Move Mountains, she demonstrates that in every single aspect of it. And I have to tell you, I am here tonight in her house because we're having a Femme Potomitan wash party in the celebration of this 1-year anniversary. In addition to that, but I also said, man, you've got to honor the very first Black woman who is a Haitian woman who served as president of a university in the United States of America. And that is Dr. Carol Bewart Joseph, who is here tonight. And I say these things to only say, if we are serious about this work, we need to rassembler, al chercher, toute l'autre femme potomitan yo. Mettez yo ensemble. Sou konnen yo, al chercher yo, al mette yo nan même espace kote nou ye. Because if the space is only occupied by those of us who are honored tonight, and we don't see the amazing role that we have to play to actually go and get all the others and bring them together, then we would have lost the battle. And so I am incredibly honored to be a part of a movement and to be a part of a network of dynamic and amazing Femme Potomitan who recognize that our time has come, who recognize that we have a role to play, who recognize that we will not do it alone, but we will do it together. So I thank you so much for this time, and I am toasting Femme Potomitan. I swear, I'm say happy anniversary, first anniversary. It is just the beginning. En allez, mesdames, en allez, en avant, en allez.
Travail colossal que vous avez fait en Haïti. Je vous remercie surtout et mettre bien bas.